Greetings from LSM Academy. So in this video we are just going to check what is the use of functions in QTP and how to define it and how to call it. So I'm just going to demonstrate how to define a function. So function, when you press space, you would get the end function automatically. So you have to just define the function name. So this bracket refers that it has no arguments. I'm just going to record something. So click on the record button. So I have just logged in and closed the flight reservation window. So here this function flogin can be called anywhere. So basically why a function is needed. So function is needed to avoid the repetitive of the statements. So you don't have to mention this login for again and again in your code to do some operation. For example, this window application is used to create a create order, delete order, update order, or just view order. So all this operation you need to log in into that particular flight reservation application. So you to perform all these operations, you don't have to code this script again and again. You can just mention the script anywhere in your program or in a function library and call it whenever necessary. So this is actually the use of function to avoid the repetitive similar scripts in the test cases. So if you run this program, this thing would not be carried out. So when it would be carried out, so you have to call this function, then only this function would get invoked and process everything. I'm just going to run this program. Stop recording, run. So I have to open the flight reservation application. So everything is done. So our function is called on the execution of this 9th line. If you don't have this line, then the function would not be called. Your test case ends without performing anything. So this is the use of functions.